Hello! Welcome to Virgo Philippines. So, ito yung reading natin for Virgo, Sun, Moon Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgos. Take only what resonates. Bali, hindi po ito mag-resonate sa lahat. Of course, be sure no, na i-check niya rin yung iyong Sun sign, Moon sign, Rising sign, and your Venus sign. Ayan. And yeah, let's start what we have here for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter, Virgos. This is love reading, guys. Sana po mag-comment kayo sa baba. Sobrang ma-appreciate ko yung comment inyo. Maraming salamat po sa mga patuloy na nagsusuporta po sa akin, nagko-comment po. So, let's start. You do have here the Tower. Yan. Actually, yung Tower, this is a very beautiful card. Kasi might be there's an ending na ginagawa mo sa sarili mo. You do have here the King of Wands. Yung iba sa inyo may be an ending of like a business, or if not, maybe a career na pwedeng, yung iba hindi pa naman nag-i-end but thinking of like mag-i-end ko na lang kaya to. Ganyan. Yung iba naman, kasi nga pwedeng with the Seven of Pentacles, pwedeng hindi na nag-grow. Or yung iba naman, yung ending, hindi siya ending but rather a new beginning. Okay, take only what resonates. Pero nakikita natin yung pagdidesisyon dito with the Two of Swords regarding sa'yo para mas ma-pursue mo the Ace of Cups kung ano man yung bagay na mas gusto mo talaga. Okay? And yung iba, that has something to do with career. Pero yung iba, nakakaramdam din ako ng love or maybe a relationship na parang feeling mo dapat na itong i-end or kailangan na itong i-end kasi parang hindi na ito nag-work out para sa akin. So anyway, pagdating sa love, sino itong person na kakonect mo? Pagdating sa love, sino yung person na kakonect mo for the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo? Queen of Cups is here. Ayan. Three of Pentacles, Justice, and Nine of Wands. I don't know. This is a person na kakonect mo. So, yung iba nga, this could be a love na, or a relationship na parang gusto mong i-end. The Queen of Cups kasi, this is showing us like a person na mahal ka naman na taong to kaya lang with the King of Wands, pwedeng iba kasi gusto mo. Iba yung like hindi kayo nagkakasundo. And the Three of Pentacles, might be itong person na to, like gusto niya ng growth with regards sa finances, and maybe yung iba, kung hindi man ganon, the Nine of Wands, may mga challenges, pwedeng ganun, pwede nagkakaroon ng challenges pagdating sa finances or pagdating sa career. With the Justice card, especially if you are married to this person. Yan, kung may, kung hindi man married, medyo deeper level of commitment or connection ay meron sa inyo. Kaya lang, mahal ka nito person na to, kaya lang pwedeng marami na kayong naungkat na issue na may kinalaman sa usaping pinansyal, na pwedeng ito yung nagiging dahilan kung bakit parang the more na dumadami or nagkakaroon ng, issue, the more na lumalaki yung problema and parang palapit siya ng palapit sa like an ending. Ano yung emosyon ninyo sa isa't isa? Emosyon ninyo sa isa't isa ng person na ito? Three of Wands is here. Or Knight of Pentacles. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo maybe you're thinking of someone na ito iba-iba. Yung iba sa inyo, maybe gusto mong mag-travel, gusto mong lumayo, or gusto mong, itry naman na mapunta sa ibang, like, ibang place. Might be, you want to travel, you want to, magkaroon ng mas magandang career, might be. And, with the Three of Wands, yung iba naman, ganito, maybe, you are thinking of someone na malayo sa'yo and maybe you are missing this person or naghihintay ka or gusto mo ng offer mula dito sa taong to or naghihintay ka na itong taong to ay magkaroon ng offer sa'yo. Like, honestly, iba-iba yung energy na kuha ko doon. So, might be ito pa yung isa sa reason kung bakit gusto mong mag-end. Yung iba hindi love-related doon. Pero yung iba love-related yun. Maybe there's someone na malayo sa'yo na pwedeng you do love that person, kailan naghihintay ka ng offer dito sa person na to. Yung iba, pwedeng maybe a company or just a career or maybe a person na kakonect mo na malayo sa'yo na parang naghihintay ka ng offer dito sa taong to. So, wala na talaga dito sa person na kakonect mo ngayon yung emotions mo or yung yung focus mo. The Death card is here, Scorpio energy. So, eto nagpapakita ito as like, maybe kung mahal mo siya noon, hindi na ganun ngayon. Pagdating sa person mo, ano naman ang emotion niya sa'yo? Page of Pentacles, King of Pentacles, Nine of Swords, and the Eight of Pentacles. Like, I don't know, this person is giving you everything. Binibigay niya lahat ng meron siya, and like with the Eight of Pentacles, pwedeng wino-work out niya lahat or binibigay niya yung best niya pagdating sa kanyang career or pagdating sa finances, you know what I mean? Pwedeng, wait lang guys. Ayan. Medyo parang lahat ng kaya niyang ibigay, ibinibigay niya pagdating sa'yo or pagdating sa, if you want more, I can give you more. Pero, nasasaktan kasi tong person na to kasi might be kahit ibigay niya lahat, kahit ibigay niya ng ibigay, might be parang para sa'yo kulang or hindi sapat yon yung mga pinapakita niya. Hindi man financially, but lahat ng ipinapakita niya sa'yo parang hindi kasi yun sapat. The Knight of Cups, this is showing to me as like a person who really do love you a lot. Mahal ka niya. Kaya lang with the Four of Swords, parang wala ka na kasing pakialam or hindi mo yun nakikita. Okay. Wait lang guys. Okay, I'm back. So, what will happen in the future sa inyong dalawa ng person na ito? In the near future sa inyong dalawa ng person na ito. For the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising. The Fool. Queen of Wands. Clarify the Fool and the Queen of Wands. Strength card. Wait lang guys, nalaglag. Okay, I'm back. So, the other card na nalaglag is the Queen of Swords. The Queen of Pentacles. Clarify the Queen of Swords. Six of Wands. The World and the Four of Cups. Clarify the Queen of Pentacles. Ace of Wands and the Empress. Well, with the Fool, nakikita natin ito as like in the near future. Might be may mga bago kang itatry or like, I can see you taking a risk about something. Nagtitake ka ng risk about something pero parang walang kasiguraduhan ito. Like, basta magte-take ka lang ng risk kasi you feel like dapat ako mag-take ng risk dito, whether ito is sa love or sa career. Okay? You are the emperor. You are someone na gusto mong mag-build ng something, and might be with the 5 of Cups. Pwede nga lulungkot ka kasi or nasasaktan kasi feeling mo hindi ka natutulungan, or with the 6 of Pentacles, hindi balance, hindi okay. So, maybe marami kang stress and ito yung mga nasa isip mo, and then pwedeng itong person na to is hinahanapan mo siya ng something like maybe pagdating sa ano yung may tutulong niya sa'yo, and the Queen of Pentacles and the Queen of Swords, this is showing to me as dalawang tao. There's the Empress who is like this could be a new person, and then maybe there's a person na you feel like there's a completion, or you feel like hindi kayo okay nito person na to with the world, like gusto mo nang i-end because parang hindi ka na sigurado sa kanya. Hindi ko alam kung admirer mo ba yon, or could be a person na kakonect mo ngayon, na karelasyon mo, pwedeng ganun. But it feels like gusto mo nang i-end kasi hindi ka na sigurado sa taong to. And you have other plans. Clarify the Empress and the Ace of Wands. Well, regarding the new person, maybe there's a spiritual connection with the High Priestess na nararamdaman ka dito sa person na to. Could be someone who is younger. Maybe younger than you or younger than the person na kakonect mo. Or maybe, maybe immature, kung hindi man bata. Maybe yung young energy could be immaturity. So, clarify the Page of Cups. The Two of Swords and the Knight of Swords. I feel like may decision din kailangan gawin itong person na to. The Star. Clarify the Star. Nakakita ko ng person dito who is really guarded. Really guarded. Gusto kanya with the Star, Aquarius energy. Gusto kanya pero masyado siyang guarded. You know, hindi siya masyadong basta-basta nagpapakita ng anything or emotions or whatsoever. But the way I see this, may mga pina-priority siya financially. Yeah. For some of you, you know, huwag kang mag-focus doon sa new beginnings or new person na yon. Might be, you need to focus on the ending dito. Or you need to make changes. The Judgment, hayaan mo na lang na divine timing ang kusang dumating sa buhay mo. Like, kung dadating sa buhay mo, dadating, but don't expect anything. Parang ganun. If it's time, it's time. Parang ganun. Pero the more I see the more I see this energy as you kailangan mas mag-focus ka doon sa like mga lessons na dapat mong matutunan sa buhay mo as an individual. And if you feel spiritual connection with the other person, meron din kasi siyang lesson na kailangan matutunan pa. And of course, kung ikaw natutunan mo na yung mga lesson na dapat mong matutunan, paano naman itong person na to, like kailangan niya ring maranasan or maramdaman yon. And might be depende pa yun sa kanya. Pero sa ngayon, you need to focus on yourself. Thank you for watching, guys. Hopefully, naka-relate kayo, naka-resonate kayo, nakuha niyo yung messages sa inyo. I love you all and bye-bye.